Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to insert serial number on Google Docs table. So let's start. First of all, you can see over here I have one table. Now here is serial number. Here nothing is inserted as of now. To insert serial number, all we need to do is first of all select the column on which you want to add serial number. Then go to this format and over here select bullets and numbering. Now click on this numbered list. Again select this first option. Now you can see here all numbers are numbered as 1. This is not what we want. To correct this, select all other cells except the first one. Then right click on it and click on this continue previous numbering. And you can see here we have successfully entered the serial number on Google Docs table. In this way, we can add serial number in Google Docs table. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.